Looking for ink cartridges that deliver consistent results without breaking the bank? The remanufactured HP98 ink cartridges come individually factory sealed to ensure quality and freshness. Even if your printer shows the ink level is empty, rest assured, the cartridge is full and ready to keep your printing on track. I've been there, struggling to insert a new cartridge, ending up with ink on my hands. It's frustrating at first, but once you get past that initial hurdle, these cartridges work smoothly and reliably. After installation, printing resumes without a hitch, and the ink holds up well over time. That staying power means fewer replacements and less hassle. Each pack includes 2 HP98 cartridges, giving you double the printing potential. These cartridges are remanufactured under strict standards, so you get quality performance that rivals new cartridges but at a better price point. If you want dependable ink that keeps your printer running and your documents sharp, this option is worth a look. If you're ready to switch to a cost-effective ink solution without sacrificing quality, try these remanufactured HP98 cartridges. They're designed to fit perfectly and perform consistently, helping you save money while avoiding the frustration of frequent replacements.